Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all fine. Welcome back with us. Husna Atifunisa,
Gita Nanda Padilla,
and Mardia Hanum Harahap.
In 12 podcasts. Okay, in this change, we will talk about mental health. Exactly only, Gita, do you think mental health issues should be taught in classroom? Why and why not?
Yes, because mental health is a way of describing social and emotional well-being. Children and young people desperately need good mental health to develop in a healthy way, build strong social relationship, adapt to change, and face life's challenges. Therefore, mental health should be taught in school.
And how about you, Hanum?
Okay, in my opinion, yes. Mental health problem must be taught in class so that student know what is the mental health, know what factor affect mental health, and know how to maintain mental health.
Okay, I think yes, mental health issues should be taught in classroom because we have to know what is mental health, how to prevent it, how to treat it, how important it is to maintain mental health since we were small. Because if we don't learn it from a young age, it will be more difficult to treat it later. Remember, prevention is better than cure.
Okay guys, what do you think is the importance of maintaining mental health? What do you think, Hanum?
I think maintaining mental health is very important because mental condition in childhood can affect a person's mental development into adulthood. Therefore, it is important for a person to have a healthy mentality from a young age. By having a healthy mentality, a person can feel various benefits in carrying out his life.
How about you, Husna?
Yes, I think maintaining mental health is important because mental and physical health are important components as well. Mental illness, especially depression, increase the risk of many types of physical health problems, especially long-term conditions such as stroke, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Similar, the presence of chronic condition can increase the risk of mental illness. Quoted from the CDC website, that's why it's important to take care of your mental health.
Okay, for me, the importance of maintaining mental health because mental health can affect an individual's daily activities. If mental health is disturbed, emotionally unstable, often feel tired, bored, dizzy, and unable to socialize properly. Mental health is also related to physical health. A person with a healthy mentality is better able to recover from illness.
Okay, and then what are the factors that can affect mental health? What do you think, Husna?
Factors that affect mental health and cause mental disorder are divided into three, namely, first, biological factors such as genetics, brain chemistry, brain disorders. Second, life factors such as trauma, abuse, pollution, alcohol, drugs. And the last factor is family factor, such as family history and family problems.
Okay, and you, Gita, what do you think?
For me, yeah, I agree with Husna. A factor that affect mental health disorder consists of three factors. Yeah, physically factors, life factors, and family factors. So yeah, I agree with Husna.
Okay, thank you. I agree with your opinion that factor that can affect mental health include biological factor such as genetics, brain disorders, then life factor such as trauma, abuse, and family factor such as family history and family problems.
Okay guys, the next is how to deal with people with mental health disorders. Can this person recover? What do you think, Husna?
I think to deal people with mental health disorder, there are treatment of mental disorder depend of the type of disorder experience and its severity. In addition to cognitive behavioral therapy and medicine, the doctor will also advise the patient to lead a healthy lifestyle. Mental health disorder can be cured if the person is diligent in taking treatment and being treated appropriately, but it is different if not treated properly can trigger more serious problem.
What do you think, Hanum? What do you think?
Alright, I think there are several ways to deal with people with mental health disorders, such as doing psychotherapy, providing treatment, support group, brain stimulation, and making plans for the affected person. And can it be cured? Mental disorders cannot help on their own, so it is still necessary to visit an expert health worker for an examination.
Okay, I agree with all of you. How to deal with mental health disorders actually depends on the type of disorder experience and its severity. Yeah, usually the doctor will suggest cognitive therapy, medications, and the doctor will also advise the patients to lead a healthy lifestyle. Mental health disorders can currently be cured, but not quickly, and also can help by itself.
Okay, guys, and the last question: How do you think, Gita, can we avoid mental health?
Some things that can be done to avoid mental health disorders are to do physical activity regularly, because physical activity can pump endorphins and other natural chemicals that can increase a sense of comfort. Then eat healthy food, because eating healthy food is an important part taking care of yourself. And the last one is getting enough sleep, because stress will make it difficult for a person to sleep. However, sleep is a time when the brain and body are at rest. The quality and amount of sleep can affect mood, energy, concentration, and overall body functions.
Okay, and you, Husna, how do you think?
I think not all mental health disorder can be avoided, but there are steps that can be taken to reduce the risk of attacks of mental disorder. There are continue to actively participate in socializing and activities that you enjoy. Share with friends and family when you have a problem. Do regular exercise. Eat manage stress well. Go to the bed and wake up regularly and at the same time every day. Try exercise for calming the mind and relaxation, for example with meditation or yoga. So, immediately see a doctor or physiologist to undergo an initial mental health screening, or if symptoms of a mental disorder appear.
Alright, thank you. I agree with your opinion that we avoid mental health with the think positive, active in sport, mention a healthy diet, get enough sleep, and socialize, and mention good relation with friends and family. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Maybe enough here our podcast today. Keep healthy and keep spirit. See you later guys. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.